Nestled within the Kansas Flint Hills, the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve is an extraordinary testimony to the vast North American landscape that once spanned 170 million acres. This remarkable ecosystem boasts a resilient beauty that has endured for centuries, despite being largely converted into agricultural land. As you journey through this natural gem, you'll be transported back in time to an era that is both fragile and enduring. The preserve, established on November 12, 1996, is a living monument that celebrates the diverse tapestry of grasses, wildflowers, wildlife, and cultural heritage of the American prairie. As you drive through the Flint Hills to reach the preserve, the landscape unfolds into undisturbed waves of grassland, punctuated by limestone bluffs and hills. The preserve itself offers an unspoiled view of rolling prairie that stretches into infinity, providing a glimpse into the rich natural heritage of this unique ecosystem. The Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve is more than just a protected piece of land. It's an interactive experience that immerses visitors in its vibrant natural and cultural heritage. Cultural demonstrations bring to life the customs and skills of historical prairie life, while living history events, arts, and crafts showcase the cultural relevance of the prairie to human societies over generations. The open skies above the preserve are perfect for stargazing and astronomy, offering a chance to witness meteor showers, constellations, and the Milky Way in crystal-clear clarity. For anglers, the preserve offers freshwater fishing in a tranquil prairie setting, followed by a picnic amidst the soothing sounds of the breeze rustling through the tall grasses. Guided and self-guided tours provide an opportunity to explore the preserve's trails, with interpretative signs and knowledgeable rangers offering insights into the ecosystem and its inhabitants. The prairie is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including bison, grassland birds, and unique insects, making it a haven for birdwatchers. The preserve also offers a junior ranger program that engages children with the ecology of the prairie, while educational films deepen the understanding of the preserve's significance. Visitors can take a piece of the prairie home with them from the bookstore and park store, featuring unique items that reflect the spirit of the American prairie. Before exploring the preserve, it's essential to consider the weather. Temperatures can range from frigid in winter to over 90 degrees in summer, while prairie winds can quickly turn weather events into challenging situations. Always check the latest NOAA weather conditions before venturing into the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve. In conclusion, the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve is a unique national treasure that offers an immersive experience unlike any other. Its panoramic landscapes, rich biodiversity, and historical significance make it a testament to the endurance of the Tallgrass Prairie and our constant efforts to protect and cherish our natural heritage. Whether you're seeking a peaceful hike, an opportunity to engage with nature, or a glimpse into our nation's cultural history, this preserve has something for everyone. So come and experience the beauty of the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve for yourself. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.